Hello?
Hello.
What's in this pan?
Dill, habanero, garlic, salt, paprika, and we're gonna put an egg.
What are we making?
Hamburgers. Although it doesn't look like it.
It's a hamburger!
It's gonna be Mexican style.
Mexican hamburgers?
If anybody from Mexico hears me, they're gonna say, what? No.
Why?
So I've eaten, well, we have some very strange things, so, but not everybody agrees on it.
People love burgers.
This is my version of Mexican stuff.
Yay! Okay. That's what we have so far.
So,
Biological meat, yeah.
why biological?
I don't know, that's what the Dutch call organic, I guess.
Oh, and is it expensive?
I don't know, is it?
It's €2.
It's not really that much. People think organic food is really that expensive. I really don't think it is. It just depends what you buy. And the more pre-made stuff you buy, the more expensive it is. I don't think my grocery bill is significantly more expensive than everyone else's.
And what could you tell me about your grocery bill in the UK?
I don't know. I think people usually spend they spend about the same amount as me. Usually grocery runs like 25 or 20 pounds. And they spend about that much or more, actually. And I think it's because they make a lot of, the people I live with, I think, they make a lot of food that's already pre-made. You can stuff in the freezer or something. I think that's why. Ooh. So we're going to put some breadcrumbs in it. And what do you do when you don't actually have breadcrumbs? You tear into this box and get creative. It's all crushed now. What do you do when you're on vacation and you don't have any sauces? You take anything you can get. So we're gonna throw soy sauce in it and just to see how it turns out.
Spurts. There. Oh.
Sorry, is that too much?
No, it's fine. No. So what kind of recipe is this?
It's our version of the Mexinese burger. If this goes well, you know, like we could call for a patent. Now you roll them into a ball to make a patty. We're gonna make 4 because that's exactly how many burger buns that we have. And then you squish them flat, somewhat flat, I guess. Spicy burgers are really good. I'm really excited about this. So we don't know what else we're gonna put in, but we found our onions. So we're gonna make a little bit of cut up onions to throw in with it. And some pancetta, because why not? Okay, Jorge says it's too fat, so I'm going to squish them now. I'm just going to poke this a little to make sure they don't get stuck on the pan. We have chorizo, because why not? There you go.
Oh no.
You have to stick. They record them.
You want an egg?
Yes, I want an egg. On the patty?
Yep.
Oh, this is very, very exciting development. pancetta. It's happening. Oh, like a pro. Come on, meet your fate. There you go. Patties are ready. Success.
Has chorizo and the beef and the egg. And then I'm gonna put the other egg on this one, which has chorizo and ham and the egg. And then these two are gonna have pancetta and onion. So it's gonna be different mixtures. Happy?
I am so excited right now. I love you too. Okay, I made a mistake. I thought we had 4 burger buns, but turns out we only have 3, so improvise. And just when you thought you couldn't add any more, avocados.
Nice.
Mexican Chinese at its best. Well, actually, which part is Chinese?
The soy sauce.
I'm in charge of grilling the burger buns. And what burger is complete without ketchup and some strange brand of mayo? Last one. There's dinner.
Provecho.
Provecho.